So we're going soon. What's that current like? I know, that's hectic. Caught him way low. Get fucked. Oh, that's great. Right, it's been a while since I made a video. I know I already sent a couple of edits and stuff, but we're going to be back making a lot more videos this year. It's going to be a big priority to get more videos out and make a lot better videos. So that means more talking to the camera and not just strap these to my chest and walk the whole time. So today we've got a bit of a mission plan. We're going to go walk to a waterfall and then walk this little creek here in my mouth. See what we can get. Could get some, could get none. We've had a lot of rain around at the moment. Can you get it out of my lap? Had a lot of rain around at the moment, so there's a fair bit of water around, so not 100% confident of getting a lot of fish, but I reckon we can get one or two at least for the video. So we'll start off with the waterfall walk. Not exactly sure on what one it is. I'll start off with that, and then don't know if we're going to be fishing it, but we'll sort of see. And then after the waterfall, we're going to go fishing. So take you out through the events of our day. Hopefully we get some fish. Just rigging up some plastics now and pack my bag. So I will keep you updated with how the day goes. Oh, that's snag. So we're on the walk. There's heaps of, we're already in sinking mud. Already big landslides along the track. See what else is in store. Got the rod, the little frog. Don't know how well it's going to go fishing, but miss 100% of the fish you don't cast at. So we'll see when we get to some water. We've only just come up to the next one and we've already hit another fucking roadblock. It looks like a little rat path. Yeah. Oh, that's wade walls all through there. And if she's wondering why we're a bit skeptical, look at all these thorns all along it. Look at that. They're all through there. Still gonna send it. Wait a while. Getting everywhere. Sorry, Rod. Is it any better on the other side? Oh shit, dropped my phone. If you're wondering why my fishing rods don't last long, because they just get thrown everywhere and caught in shit like this. Just Sig's little spot. Choosing my jet. Have a couple of flicks, see if we can get anything. From my mouth, have another cast up in there. No, nothing. We've had about the 50th landslide. This one's a bit more intense, but we'll get through it. Sorry, bro. Oh god. That doesn't look as bad to get through. First deadly little spot. Zoomed out. And we got a bit more landslides to go through. So now we're getting into the hairy shit. Ooh. I know, that's hectic. First waterfall of the day. Little bit of a tree course down to the next spot, the waterfall. Not going to be too much fishing this part of the video because we're right up in the mountains. Nothing's really up here, swimming those waterfalls and stuff. But the next part, very soon after we get to this waterfall, we'll be all fishing. So stay tuned for the fish part. This waterfall, look how nice this all looks. How beautiful it is. Lovely. Cycling, push the truck over. And then it's really hard to walk through. I'm just going to spin around. It's not. But there's my hair caught in weight. Get fucked. Oh, that's great. If you slip down there, you are fucked with a capital F. You're going to get done by 100 beta whales and stinging things when you're falling down a waterfall. I'll put you in my mouth in case I die. You get to watch it. Alright, I know you're going to be roasting me for my breathing in the video, but I just want you to keep in mind, it is hot, I'm unfit. The GoPro is in my mouth like this, with the thing in my nose, so like when I'm breathing, it's like... And then, yeah, so that's why the breathing sounds so loud. That, and I am unfit as well, but it is because the GoPro is like this, not like this. So you're coughing all that breathing right in the microphone, so sorry about that. Well, I really need to hold on. Oh, like that. Oh, fuck. Branch just fell on my head. A branch just fell on my head. Mark it off a little bit. Okay. Oh, what a shot. No, you're out the shot. Look at those right there. Oh, I dodged my head. Ow. Oh, just wait a while. Oh. Oh! Oh, you can't see. Where do you see that? I'm fucking stuck as. Stuck. That's stuck. I'm gonna have to retie my hair before I keep going. This is intense. Alright. Fuck. Got a GoPro in my mouth. Yeah. Oh! Yeah. So it's gone down. Poor rod. I'm so sorry. Fuck. You can't tell it's just sheer fucking. Yep. Like that. Can't. Yeah, I know. Ugh. Oh, for fuck's sake. Look at that. That's a big jump. Yeah.
Oh, you're not sure. No. Oh, it's on my legs. What? You think my fucking legs? Oh, fucking suck. Oh, and leg just scraped along that. Now for that down. The shit we do. It's gonna be a bit sketchy to say. Sliding. Oh. Oh. Fucking hell. Oh, let's go. I'm gonna have to retie all my line.
What's that?
Retie my line. Chase does. Holy. Got to be getting close. My phone is so wet. Yeah. Oh, like that. Yeah. Look at the drop. Oh, holy fuck. Oh, this is fell over again. Fuck. Ow. Fuck. Oh god. Oh. Sounds like I'm breathing heavy because I am rooted. Oh, armpit, oh, cheeky suck back to the stick. Beautiful. Oh, we're right there. It sounds like I'm breathing hard. I need to said that because the camera's in my mouth and I'm puffed. Uh-oh. Go back in the mouth. Oh! Going again. Poor Rod. Oh yeah. I made it. Didn't die. The weight all over me. Push us through this shit. Get out of the way. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Fucking we made it. Didn't die. Successful mission. What? Yeah, dog.
Here's where we were walking to, this sick waterfall. We just had to scale around that and down. Fucking steep, pissing down rain, slippery. Got Dan down there, taking some photos. What a walk.
Big walk back, see if we can get some fish. Tarp on, jack. I'll hit that up at close season. They won't specifically be targeting them. So I can't guarantee we'll catch one. That's all that seems to be around here at the moment. But target, hopefully get a nice jack. Tarp on, knife fish, something, brim, JP. Should be something there. Yeah, boy. A lot more adventures like this coming soon. That seems to be a different way back this time. Oh, picked up a friend. And we're walking the creek back. Still don't think we're going to be on the creek, but we're going to give it a go. Oh, luckily I took my phone out. Oh. Seriously, guys. Much better way. Nah, probably not. Just give it a try, be rude not to. Have a little flick. In case there's anything in here. No. Flash on it. Nothing. Try going stern. Back up. What's that current like? Where's the bell on again? Bags away. Fuck. Oh. Who's fucking wolf? Oh no! Oh. Almost lost the rod. Holy shit. Been an expensive drop. One cast. Haven't seen any fish flock yet, but it's fucking rude not to. Nothing. Shit. Good form.
Right, so I know I took the rod and didn't catch any fish on that waterfall walk, but it's just one of those spots where there's heaps of waterfalls, so we didn't really expect there to be any fish, but I was like, I'll take the rod anyways, it's not going to hurt. So I ended up taking the rod for about an 8 to 10 kilometre walk for no reason, but you never know, there could have been heaps of fish there, but there wasn't, but it's still worth the shot. I just smashed a feed, buggered, but chicken gravy roll and cheeseburger. Damn with the cheeseburger. Yeah, let's go for a fish.
So I've done all that. Now it's time for a little fish. See if we can end this video off with a fish we use. Let's get a snag, pulled it back. You got fucking line everywhere and whoa! Smacked in the fucking forehead, cunt. Oh, I've had a few flicks. Still nothing. Change the GoPro battery. All we want is one fish. Just to end this video for you. Give you one little fish to be happy about. Alright. It's just not working in our favour today. I do have old footage. We used to watch a couple of cheeky fish fights. But I want to get something from now. Finish the day off with a fish. Been through Sloppy Swamp is right up on our agenda. Dumb shit we do. GoPro running, get eaten by a crocodile. I don't know, I can't even see now because of the rain, which is a bit gay. A bit frightening. Not really frightening, I don't give a fuck. There's no sinker on this thing. Come on, fishy, come on. Trying to find this spot a fucking farmer told us about. In the fucking flooded shit, too long that way. Better not be fucking pulling piss on us. First cast, if we can get a fish. You would not believe your eyes if you seen my booty size. That night is what helps you fall asleep. Fucking good singer, she on X Factor. Oh. Oh, what is it? A little top one. Going that one, little bar. Yeah, boy. If we can get it. Yeah, boy. Oh, ow. Get the hook in the finger. And there you go. Little barramundi with oh, one little hit. Yeah. Actually. Again. Oh. There's this hook facing.
That one.
Oh. This is why I only use these weedless ones. I got it. Yep, there we go. Get the swim right up at your feet, and you just like can't. Don't just get fucking swanton bond on. Oh, right there at my feet. Hey? Another little one. Another nice. My phone's gonna die. Oh, holy fucking shit. Settle down, my phone's gonna die. But this has caught like maybe 20 fish. No chafe. Lure's still sweet. Barra. This is gonna gill rake me. Barra's all sweet. Head on like a treat.